Hey guys, I want to welcome you back to Engineering Trends and Innovation, where we explore the cutting edge of engineering and technologies that are shaping our future. I am your host, Alimami Conte, and in today's episode, I am taking you guys to the skies, quite literally, to explore the rise of drone technology and how it is transforming our society and transforming everything from filmmaking, agriculture, construction to military intelligence and warfare. Before I dive deep into this technology or engineering, let me take you a little bit about my journey, why this topic matters to me. As a FAA licensed drone pilot and someone who is operating a drone service company and founded a drone service company, I have seen the first hand how this technology is becoming an essential tool for industries across the world. From mapping sites to surveying disaster zones, drones are no longer just a futuristic toys. These are tools of precision, data, and speed. What drew me to this field was its combination of aerodynamics, but because I was passionate about aerospace, electronics, data systems, and autonomy. These are core aspects of mechanical engineering and systems engineering. And I am specializing in engineering design and advanced manufacturing systems. Let me break it down why drones are being designed and its operations that it is being designed for. Drones are being designed for two operations, which are commercial and the military or defense. Now, explaining why commercial drones are designed for non-military purpose, such as aerial photography and cinematography, infrastructure inspection, precision agriculture, emergency response and search and rescue, mapping and surveying. These drones are often lightweight, GPS enabled, and equipped with high resolution cameras and sensors. They also transform industries by providing real time data without cost and complexity that it takes to operate manned aircraft. So, drone technology is supporting the commercial industry extensively. So, the next point is the military drones, or we call it unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, which are far more sophisticated. They serve various roles such as surveillance and reconnaissance, target acquisition, air to ground strike capability, electronic warfare. We note that defense or military drones are often equipped with long range capabilities, which is encrypted in communication systems and weapon payloads. They can operate in GPS denied environments, meaning in rural areas, and are central to modern warfare strategy, meaning that these but companies or these countries are using it to fight war. Let's get real for a second, because we know that this channel isn't just about theory. We are witnessing a new era of drone warfare in global conflicts. For example, Ukraine-Russia war. We note that drones are being used extensively by both sides. Ukraine is using drones to attack Russia, and Russia is also using drones to attack Ukraine in the battlefield for surveillance, artillery targeting, and even direct attack. Off-the-shelf drones, which are commercial drones, are now being modified for frontline use, and large UAVs like some of the drones that are being designed in Turkey, which have played a pivotal roles in today's warfare. Second example is the conflicts between Israel and Iran. We know that Iran has developed a range of low-cost military drones, which is used in proxy conflicts and direct strikes on Israel. And in turn, Israel's Iron Dome and their air defense system have adapted to intercept hostile UAVs, showing just how central drone defense has become. So it is not only being used as an offensive tool, but they are creating ways how it could be defensive. This conflict reveals a stark truth of airspace dominance. It's no longer about using jets, flying the B 2 Spirit or flying all these F-35. It is about unmanned, intelligent, and expandable aerial systems. Engineering behind the drones will be like how I will explain to you how this engineering or the technologies that is being used on designing drones. We know that from an engineering perspective, here are key components. Number one, frame and materials like lightweight, strong carbon fiber, and composite materials are being used to basically design the frame. Two, the propulsion system, brushless motors, electronic speed controllers, ESCs, and lithium batteries. The third is a flight with control, where we use IMUS, the gyroscopes, GPS modules, and real-time software control systems. Fourth point, we are talking about sensors and payloads, where we install the camera, LiDAR, thermal sensor, or military-grade surveillance equipment. The most crucial part of it is the communication, where we use radio frequency modules like 4G or 5G or satellite uplinks. The sixth point is autonomy and AI, which is used to detect objects, flight stabilization, and mission planning. Whether you are in the field of the mechanical engineering, electrical systems, or computer vision, drone engineering brings all discipline together. Here is what excites me most as a licensed drone pilot. I see the next phase as being all about automation, AI integration, and swarm intelligence, where multiple drones work as a coordinated unit, meaning that they communicate sequentially. We are also entering an era where urban military mobility. Think drone, taxi, and cargo drones. This is becoming real. Companies like Zipline, Wing, and Amazon Prime here, they are leading to push air mobility, meaning that using drones for commercial use. Meanwhile, the Department of Defense in the US is heavily investing in the counter drone technology and autonomous drone swarms, both for offensive and defensive purposes. Whether you're interested in defense tech, the public safety, as I am interested in the public safety, that is why I founded EO Flight Drones, or environmental science as well. Drone engineering is a frontier for innovations, and it is growing much more faster. As engineers, we have the power to shape how these machines serve humanity. Whether that is delivering medicine, meaning that from remote areas, or it is gathering critical data or supporting peacekeeping missions. We want to see how drones in a real world application is being utilized for the better of everyone. So I will be sharing behind the scenes of footages of my drones and my company projects on flight missions by demonstrating how it is being used for commercial purpose. So here is my challenge to you guys. I want you to research more, ask critical questions, about drone technology. Stay curious, stay critical, and let us fly together. This is engineering trends and innovation where the machine is shaping our future, and we know that the future is machines. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe, and also click the notification button because we are diving deep into engineering and technologies that are shaping our future. I am your host again, Alimami Conte. This is Engineering Trends and Innovation.